Hello guys, and welcome back to Sonic the Hedgehog. I am in Marble Zone, Act 3, and please guys, oh no, and just please pray for me. Oh my god, I have one ring. What the fuck is that bullshit? Right, and on to the part that had so much problem doing. See, I have 3 lives. I haven't got hit once until I started recording. That's some really fricked up stuff. Some really messed up math. Alrighty. Lock states. Got the Aibo Robotnik. Now, already beating this stage, so I'm just playing this again. Okay, as you see, I'm like 10 times better now. As you see, I got to that part so easy. Alrighty. And then that's the part you don't want to lose rings on. I can beat him with just 1 ring. I'm okay with that. So now let's get into this boss fight. Shall we? Okay, so whatever platform he sets on fire, you have to move to another platform. So literally squeeze out 2 hits. Okay, as you see, I'm about to beat him right now. And that is the end to the Endurious Marble Zone. It only took like 2 episodes. Now time to go to the other zone. And I think it was Spring Yard Zone, yep. Now I already beaten this one too, but I don't think I improved in it because I haven't played it like that much. Only did it on like my first try, and I got past it. So, and this is I ain't gonna go to the other one, the Liberian, so I ain't gonna do that one until like my next Let's Play. It'll be gameplay number 4. Anyway, this stage also hurts, so I gotta like go like super slow sometimes. So basically I watch for those freaking crabs. I do not want to go down. Is there a way for me to get back up or... Oh god! Okay. Yeah, that figures. I wanted to see what's over there. Why did I have to be curious? I already did this level. I shouldn't be curious to try to finish the level while doing commentary, so... As we see here, this is sort of somewhat difficult. Somewhat. That's a problem. Stop shooting at me. Okay, and I guess I gotta go down here. Oh shit. Okay. Now I'm trying to slow down here. Because we should have thick, spiky balls. Paws. Darn it. Just gotta jump over that. Gotta be careful. I don't know when they're gonna show up, or... Shit! I was supposed to be on that. See, there goes the big spiky balls. Paws. Oh god. See, that's what I get for making a gay comment on a freaking Sonic game. Okay, so this is... Oh god, it's little spike shit. Okay, go to that, moves over. I actually don't really like this. I actually hate this more than Marble Zone, actually. Because I played this like 3 times. Just for practice, and I actually hate this more than Marble Zone. It's actually harder than Marble Zone. I don't even know how that even possible. But it was, so. Okay, just gonna go to here, just a lot of patterns. And then, oh my god, I almost got squished. Almost got sandwiched. Oh my, what the? That's some... Okay. Just got the checkpoint. So now I'm like right back here. No ring. Wait, can I go out there? Okay, yeah. Okay, this is a little area where you can just roam around in. Rings. And come straight back home. Oh my god. So yeah. After this stage is the water level, and oh boy, that should be fun. I went to the water level, I can't even get past this. Anyway, back to the drawing board. Yeah, I know, Sega, the Lords of Sonic. Also, the Lord of Sonic 06 was the most terrible Sonic game ever. See? Variant, so that's number 4, okay? You gotta go back to Spring Yard. Spring Yard. I just wanna... If I die again, then that's it for this gameplay. I'm just gonna do that. It's gonna have just 2 regular lives. If I die again during this gameplay, and that's it. See, can I do this now? It wasn't a gay, orgasm or anything, was it? Did it sound like it? I'm sorry if it did. Cause I literally like, maybe I didn't hear it, but, okay, just gonna leave it like that. I didn't hear nothing. Also, I never got switched by that before. I don't know why. Every time I record, I do terrible. I don't know why. No, whoa, okay, who is that? Who is that? That Metal Sonic? No. I don't want to meet that one. Dang it! Stop running in this shit. Oh well, I'm already back here. That was actually a special speed run. Maybe I can actually finish this level this time. Nope. Oh yeah, and these peak little new enemy things, you can't jump on them or else you're gonna get hurt. So you gotta like spin dash them like that, kill them. Oh my god, I have 1 ring. Oh my god, I have 1 ring in between my own death. Oh wait, there's more down here. Maybe if I can duck. Oh, Dougie, don't work. Darn it. Sonic the Hedgehog. Really do. Nick, he has an attitude. It only seems Sam should know that Sonic is pretty much cocky jerk who loves to eat chili dogs. So, and I'm sort of a cocky jerk, so me and him are sort of the same. And yeah, I got through it. And I still have 3 lives. Because the first time I did it, I only had 1 life after this. So that's an improvement. Also, I think every time you get past a level, if you have like 2 lives, you get 3 lives if you have 1. And use the spring here, because nothing could go wrong. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. What you want to do is just do that, and then you're gonna have to go out here. You just gotta ramp yourself, which I really don't like. So I'm just gonna do that. Hold down this B button. Go! And then Sonic pinball my way up. Okay, that's not gonna work. I really want to go there. You know what? I'm just gonna... Can I restart it? Or do I have to die? I'm gonna have to die. But I don't want to die. I'm just gonna... No. Just do that. Do that. Hello, Mr. Crab. Ah! Also, they literally just use the same game stuff for this thing. Oh my god! Why? Why have ye failed me? Wait, where are the rings at? Oh wait, this thing keeps going. Hold up, is this a shortcut? Hold up. No! What the world? So, I get to do this again. So... why did that speed just breaks my fall, though? Where he learning his feet? That little indent right there. Why? I jumped over it. That's not fair. You're playing with... damn you, Game Boy Advance system, you cheap squalid... Okay, slow down. Gotta handle Mr. Krabs. Oh god. No, I don't want to get maced. Okay. Try not to get hit by any spiky balls of death. Oh boy, that's gonna be the video. Also pause. No homo, whatever. Oh my god, what the you spiky balls of death! Frick you! Ugh. Okay, let me go through the shortcut again. This time I know what's coming up, so... yeah. Now go, you fool. Slow down, slow down, slow down. You need to rush. You need to rush. There's no need to rush. There's no need to rush. Okay, got some rings and a life. Extra life. Good, I needed that. Now let's play some Sonic Ping Ball. Yay! 10 points, 10 points, 11 points. I'm sort of getting dizzy / annoyed with this, so I'm just... yay, there we go. So, I'm gonna... 40 rings. And I have a... that's actually good. Oh. Damn it. Checkpoint. Yay. So if I die, just start... Whoa. Whoa. Dang, you big spiky ball of death. Nobody likes you. Just go away. You're my least favorite Sonic character. You're not even... okay, yeah, I'm getting way into this. Okay, go up here. Whoa, okay, that shrinks. What? No, no. Oh, 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 I was dying. Why did that always break my speed? I'm trying to go fast. I'm the fastest thing freaking alive. There you go, that's how you do it. Wait, is the thing over? Oh yeah, it is. Sonic has passed Act 2. Hooray. I feel so rewarded. It actually passed the unbeatable stage. I'm just so happy I got through Marble Zone. I did some Snow Guard and I actually beat it. I was like super happy that day. Can I get a ring? One ring? They give me all these B drills, so they can give me that one B. One ring. Wait, did I just call them B drills? Isn't that a Pokemon, right? Christ, I'm confusing Sonic characters with Pokemon now. Okay. Finally some rings. Ah! Club, I hate clubs. And Mr. Krabs. You cheap fuck. Ain't getting none of my money. So... can I go over there? Seek? No, okay. Go in here. Go up here. Jump on this. Jump that. Here. Oh no! You're not jumping there. Ooh. I was one hit away from death. Really, Mr. Krabs? Really? That's how you're gonna treat me? I wonder why SpongeBob quit. Okay. Okay, yikes! Yoinks! Did I say yoinks? Or did I say yikes? I meant to say yoinks. Nope. There it is, so. Even though I'm supposed to come down here, I'm not supposed to come down here. No, I don't want to die. Let me live my life. Oh wait, there's another thing. Whenever I die, so like hop high. Oh no. Out of my head. How does Sonic keep doing that? How does Sonic keep doing that? Bet his head become mush by then. Ain't there probably a beaver I can just jump on to get up? Nothing's supposed to happen, so. Dang it, I wanna go high, I don't wanna be punished! Wait, what? They still walking on the ceiling? Yes! I finally been out here! Invincibility at last. Wait, now where am I supposed to? So I'm supposed to take it and run. Okay, run you fool, run you fool, run you fool. Sorry for a little bit of quietness. I'm just super intense into this, so that's another reason why. Oh! Ooh! Right in the ring sack. Oh no! Oh, let me get up there! Oh my god! Please don't kill me like that, please. No! Oh my god. And it started me back from the beginning because it's so far from the checkpoint. This is probably also going to be another two-parter episode, so I'm just gonna... Anyway, this is fairly easy level, so if you can't do it, then you're probably trash, and I'm saying that. And look, there we go. Let me just glitch my way up here. You know what? Frick being up there. Who needs invincibility? I need invincibility right now. I do. Whoa. Sit down, Mr. Krabs. Oh, cheat, conniving. Boop, boop. What the world? I need some breathe. Breathe. I just... Ring, where the ring's at? Give me rings! Yes, okay. Hey, I'm back where I was, I think. Yeah, I got squished around here. Look, there goes my dead corpse. No. Oh! What the? One of the... Hello. So, how you doing? Good? Okay, I just want to see you right now. Your brother. Finally, a checkpoint, and I got an extra life, so... Yeah, I can use it as a nice little ramp. Okay. Is there a thing here? Okay, no, it's not. Okay, good. Why? You stupid crap! Dang. What the? Oh my god, it's so not fair. What the what? Oh! Oh! Okay, good, got that one. Oh, that thing go fast. Whoa! 0 to 100 real quick? God dang. Hold up. Can I go up there? Is that a thing? It was not a thing. Now I feel stupid. So stupid, 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 stupid. No. Okay, I'm literally almost near the boss. Okay, just gotta go on these platforms. Yes, I made it to the boss. Right, where are you, Eggman? There you are, you son of a bitch. Now I'm just gonna hack the game. Dang, you beat up Eggman. Looking so fried, Eggman. Look like a fried crab. Like an old, burnt out crab. Anyway, that's it. Sonic has passed Act 3. Spring Yard Zone. Okay. And we're gonna be doing Laborious Zone next time. So if you like this video, then well, like it. And if you not subscribed to my channel already, then go ahead and subscribe to see more content like this. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That is it for me for today. So I may not post until maybe like Wednesday, because I'm gonna be doing something. I may be out of town or something like that, so yeah. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Share it to all your friends and family. Tell people about my channel. Get that subscriber number up, because we growing as a community, okay? So that's it for today. Goodbye.